Hi guys, Jeff here from TAT. Just a quick little technical case I wanted to highlight to you today about a Toyota Corrola that's stalled and won't restart. So this car was presented to the workshop. It stalled on the road while it was driving and wasn't able to restart again. So once we've had a look at it, we looked at the obvious things and everything looked to be quite okay, nothing untoward. One thing that did pick up in the live data area was our mass airflow sensor wasn't reading quite right. It was well out of what we would expect to be reading. So in the mass airflow sensor up here, again, once we pulled it apart, in this particular case, we found there was a bit of debris in the mass airflow sensor. So this case, it was actually brought to us by Marty Hosey in Victoria, one of our good technical team. And again, found that there's a bit of air filament element in the mass airflow sensor. So all these sorts of vehicles that run those sorts of Denso or mass airflow sensors of that type, be careful that there's not a bit of debris in there or of oil build-up or contamination on those mass airflow sensors. They certainly will cause the car to run badly or splutter and run lean or rich, but in this particular case actually stalled the car because a bit of that air filter got caught in. So we're finding a lot of guys or workshops that use cheap quality air filters, or people who use cheap qualities, they start to break down over a period of time, and that sort of material can end up in the mass airflow sensor. So just be careful about mass airflow sensors. As a rule of thumb, in our workshop we make sure that we have a look at them and clean them as part of the normal service routine. So well worth making sure you check those out. If you are a member, make sure you're utilising our repair solutions. Lots of thousands of repair solutions in our system, including the one I've just mentioned to you. If you're not a member and would like to join up, go to our website, tat.net.au, click up the Join Up Now button and join the 3,000 plus members that are sharing information, knowledge and experience. See you next time.